JJ. Is it going doo-doo? JJ. What's that?
You say Viper.
What's that?
You say Viper?
Viper,
sir.
that's right.
He doesn't even know your name yet.
That's right. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We're here at 129 Hub for Coffee and Curves, our little monthly shindig. I'm gonna start up front here and show you guys who showed up today. We got some new cars, some familiar faces, some mods on some familiar faces, a lot of cool stuff today. All right, so I'm up front today. With Taylor. Dan's car over here. Nothing really changed on our cars. Got a 1LE Camaro here. Shay's car. I forgot to do this in my last video, so I'm gonna do it again. Fitment. Gloss Nation over here. These GT3. We got Ron and the M6. Chris brought his car today. I actually had never seen this car in person before. His hood won't latch, I guess. So we got a little bit of girth nation here. This thing's wide. Jamie's car.
Oh, yeah, right.
And one of the familiar faces, but with a very new look here, is Dave, the owner of 129 Hub. Got his car back from AZ Rags, wrapped in this cool yellow, I don't even really know what you call this color. It's like a goldish yellow kind of, and it looks badass. Completely badass. I love how they did the F logo in the same color on the front to replace that chrome Lexus badge. I mean, this just looks so much better. And the AZ Rags did a really good job. The wrap looks really good. Got this Porsche here. Never seen this one before. Little vert action. Vert Nation. Bivens car. Familiar face, the ZR1. This car will never get old, obviously. What else we got? GT3 RS. This is Jason's car. I did not see him come in, but he's here somewhere. Matt's car.
Nuts.
What's that?
Was that my good side?
I don't know.
Was it? Look at my snaggletooth.
Brandon's car.
That was a very unenthused.
Good morning.
Good morning, by the way.
We don't know where JJ is. He's somewhere with Jamie walking around. Mommy, look, C5s. I make fun of Kayla because she can't tell the difference between a C6 and a C5. This Challenger, actually, I was talking to the owner before. He apparently lives right across the street from me. I've seen this car a million times, always wondered who owned it. And I got to meet him down here an hour away from where we live, even though we live right across the street. So that's awesome. Little Hellcat action. Love the green, of course. Green, my favorite color. Oh, I like the green matching carbon fiber tag bracket. Nice touch. Very nice, very nice. C5 Nation, and then according to Kayla, another C5. Just kidding. C6 Z06. There was a C8 somewhere. I don't know where he went. Maybe it was Mike's car. GT2 RS. This is a new face. Absolutely badass car. I think if I ever got a Porsche, it would have to be a GT2 RS. Taylor, how much power do these things make? They're like twin turbo, right?
700 horsepower.
That's a lot.
For a little Porsche, yeah, it's quite
Are they single turbo or twin?
Twin.
They're twin.
It's a Turbo S on steroids.
On steroids. I guess that makes sense. The rear sort of looks like the Turbo S, the bumper, but it's got the gnarly ass wing on it.
I believe they're essentially the same motor.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the 4.0. Yeah, those wheels are almost $80,000 a piece.
You're kidding.
Or not a piece, but for the set. No. The
Screw
seats,
that.
$25,000.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they're insane.
80 grand for the wheels,
80 grand for the wheels, 20 grand for the seats.
20 grand for the seats, and then what were the rotors?
The rotors are $9,000 a piece. I know that from first-hand experience.
Yeah, Taylor's a little mishap. Well, it wasn't even really your mishap, honestly. It was Harper's mishap, but yeah. Just for carbon ceramics, why are they so expensive? I mean, yeah, it's just Porsche tax. It's got to be Porsche tax.
You can get a whole set for a Corvette for
$6 grand.
$1 month.
Yeah. Whole set of carbon ceramics for a Corvette would be $6 grand. Be less than one rotor for this car.
Correct.
Bonkers. Porsche tax. Hi, JJ.
Hope it holds up.
He's back. Is Mr. Jamie taking you around showing you all the cars? Car. Hi, Shannon. See it convertible action. I love the convertible on these. Convertible just looks so much more aggressive. Yeah, I like the back of the vert better than the hatch. Looks good.
Just
hold it.
Yeah, don't throw it in.
I'm not gonna put.
Can we put it on your wing and take a picture for APR?
Can we?
Let's do it.
I know. Might have to do with cars and coffee.
God.
People are burning out.
Film the rollout.
Yes, sir. It's time.
Have a good run, guys. Bye, Lee. See you later. Great time as usual at Coffee and Curves. Thank you to 129 Hub for hosting. As always, this is one of my favorite meets. I go to it every single month. Every single time I try to highlight something cool that I saw. We saw some familiar faces this time. We saw some new faces. Definitely looking forward to the next one. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining and I'll see you guys next time.